Thanks, Jody. And yes, you're going to love 7.0 once you're in there. It's been so smooth. So now that we understand the social shift and how social media is evolving, let's talk about what this means for you as a wellness educator. The old way of building an audience was all about posting constantly, hoping to go viral, or chasing followers, which is also why if you're thinking about doing some type of follow chain, I do not recommend it. Don't go down that path because it just doesn't work like that anymore in 2025. The new way to build an audience isn't about posting more, it's about attracting the right people, creating a community of buyers, and turning engagement into long term relationships. And that's exactly what we're diving into now. The biggest misconception about social media is that you need this massive following of millions of people to grow your business. But in reality, what you actually need is a clear strategy that brings the right people and moves them towards your community. And that's where our audience attraction formula comes in. So, first, we help you define your audience and their pain points. And if you try, I'm sure you've tried, because I know I have, tried to talk to everyone, you really connect with no one. So you need to be crystal clear about who you serve and what problems you solve. So when you get too broad, you end up blending in, and when you get specific is when you stand out. And a well-defined niche makes your content creation much easier because you know what you're talking about, the right audience finds you, and your business becomes magnetic, not salesy. So here's a little niche breakdown to give you an example of how you could do this. So the first one, blood sugar management, right? So adults struggling with blood sugar regulation is a great niche. Sleep and insomnia, professionals struggling with poor sleep quality. And then on the energy side, targeting to women over 40 struggling with chronic fatigue. So you see how we take that broad topic and turn it into something a little more niche. And once you've decided on your niche, you'll need an audience attraction kit that makes it easy to build your brand, attract your perfect audience, and position yourself as the go-to wellness educator in your niche. But what if I told you that you don't have to figure all of this out on your own? It's kind of nice. So I'm Max, walk you through that. So Max, take it away.
Thanks, Coach Kristen, and good evening, wellness educators. Hi, I'm Max, and I manage social content here at YFP. When we saw how powerful this formula was, the team got to work building something special just for you. So it's called the Audience Attraction Kit, and it's designed to help you apply the entire formula without having to start from scratch. Let me show you what's inside. It starts with a strong brand identity, your logo, fonts, and colors that help people instantly recognize you. Then, a custom lead magnet that automatically connects to a one-on-one blueprint strategy session, so we can help you start building trust right away. And then a branded hub site and a mission-driven social media cover, so your online presence feels polished and consistent. And for in-person events, we created vendor show assets and custom merch like your story card brochures, banners, shirts, and mugs, things your community can physically interact with. And you also get a collection of social media content to help you show up consistently without the burnout. And for our favorite part, your discovery and retention group branding that turns your group into a movement. Now, this kit didn't come together overnight. It's the result of months of strategy and creativity, and every piece was built with you in mind so you can spend more time educating and less time reinventing the wheel. How does that sound?
Max, this sounds incredible. And for anyone who's done trying to create all this stuff knows how taxing it can be. So thank you. And it's everything we've been teaching, except already done for them. Wellness educators, if you've been struggling to stand out or attract the right people, this kit is definitely your shortcut. And so let's continue with the formula. The second step is to use your weekly wellness show as the foundation of your content strategy. And the great news is you don't have to create this content for yourself. Our team creates the slides for you. So all you have to do is report on what's new, share some insights, and put your personal spin on it. And that last part's very, very important. And the third step is to move people from social media into your discovery group. Okay, and resource center. And this is where they can engage at a deeper level, get to know you, and get some valuable info. So your social media is where people find you. And now we can go through all 7 steps tonight, or we can't go through all 7 steps tonight due to time, but you can download the Wellness Educator's Blueprint if you want to learn more about the audience attraction formula. And the team is going to be putting the link in the chat for you. So, Jody, once we start attracting and connecting with these people, where do they go?
Great question. By the way, Zal Fink out there, I saw your question. Zal, unfortunately, you might have missed that part, but Julie messaged us at the last minute that she has got the flu and is not able to join us. So I hope you still hang with us, but unfortunately, Julie will not be with us. So we'll have to get her for another show. All right, now back to the audience attraction formula. And before we reveal your question, Kristen, I'm of course curious, what do you guys think of what you've seen so far? Just go ahead and type in the chat, and some of it might be flying past you. So you're like, wow, I don't know what they just said, but go ahead and type in what you think about the audience attraction formula, because some of you, that's been really the struggle, is how do you stand out? Who do you target, right? I know many of you have been hearing this for quite a while. You should have a target audience or an avatar, etc. But how do you actually do it? And so we've taken great pains to get you there.